pursues. I'm very happy that in the year 22, like I just saw the newspaper where I saw that the CLAT exam they have moved from I think May to December. Yes. So it's like that's where so I stay in good institute. So I came to know about times, I came to know about Abhyaas. I personally visited, and in Abhyaas, who is the coordinator, so whom I spoke to him, then he made me that said you're doing in our institute rather than other institutes. He showed me about the material and all. So from then, like, it's been joined in Abhyaas, and I look at the material and all. This is fantastic, and he has been attending all the walks and finally he got through. That's that dream come true.